In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your purchase history on eBay with the 2025 update in mind. First, let's navigate over to eBay's website. To do this, open your preferred web browser, type in ebay.com in the address bar, and press enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner. Click on that. If you already have your credentials saved, simply proceed with the sign in process. Otherwise, enter your username or email and provide your password. Alternatively, you might have the option to sign in with a passkey. Choose whichever method suits you best, and once you're logged in, we'll need to access your account settings. To do this, look again towards the top of the page. You'll spot your name or icon indicating your account. Click there. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Settings from this list. In the Account Settings menu, there's an option labeled Activity. Go ahead and click on it. This section plays a pivotal role as it aggregates your eBay activities. It's your hub for tracking everything you've done on the platform, from buying to selling, and importantly, it's where you'll access your purchase history. Next, locate and click on Purchases within the Activities section. This reveals a comprehensive list of all the items you have purchased. Here's where the crucial part of this tutorial is: dealing with your purchase history. Now, it is important to note that while eBay does not provide an option to entirely delete or erase any purchase history, there are alternatives. The most effective way to make your purchase history less visible is to archive or hide items from view. You can scroll through your purchase history and select individual items you wish to archive. When you find a purchase you'd like to hide, look for the option to archive it and make the item less prominent in your history. This method essentially clears your view without permanently deleting the information. It's essential to manage your digital footprint, and archiving allows you to conduct a tidy up without losing records you might need later. So there you have it. While it's not possible to completely erase your purchase history on eBay, archiving provides a useful workaround to keep your account organized and uncluttered. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore the other customization options available on eBay or revisit other tutorials for guidance on getting the most out of your online buying experiences. Thank you for watching and happy organizing!